everybody. So we've been putting this off forever because everything's been on lockdown. I haven't been able to kind of go out anywhere because of work. But we decided a couple months ago when we went ahead and pulled the motor out, we kind of kept it quiet, didn't let really anybody else, I don't know, our friends or anything know. But I decided that I was going big turbo with this car. I ordered everything and it finally all came in. So today I'm going to start putting the motor on the engine stand and start assembling it a little bit. We have a 50, I think it's a 58 trim turbo, just a knockoff wastegate for now. I'm doing a Walbro 450 fuel pump with a return line kit and 1000cc injectors because I'm going to go E85. But we'll get in more to that once I get the motor up on the stand and kind of talk about all the components that's going to be going in and what the plan is on tuning wise.
Here's a look, guys, of all the parts up close if you wanted to see. But he's going to get started, and I'll be the camera guy for today, so, and I'll also try to help him much as I can. So stick around, and you guys can watch, I think this is part 2 of the build series, so stick around for part 2 of the build series. Okay, guys, we got the turbo, wastegate, and everything mounted up on the car. He's going to keep running the clutch that he has. But he's got all the lines and everything ran except for this one here. We have to get a new hose or something for it. But anyway, that's what everything looks like. We're getting ready to mount up the transmission, but I think we're going to call it a night tonight because it took most of our time getting all the hardware and stuff, and I think he's getting tired of working on it. So
the stud kit was a pain in the ass.
He said the stud kit was a pain in the ass, but that's how we got so far. Our next video that we do will be more than likely dropping this motor into the red car here, and then there'll be wiring that we'll have to do, and
I still have to figure out something different for the downpipe and the dump tube for the wastegate, because the wastegate's a lot closer to the AGP downpipe than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, you guys can see right here how close that is.
Might have to get it cut, and
we might have to do some fabrication there, but that's all I got for you guys today. We'll probably be more than likely dropping the motor in here shortly. Probably next week sometime, maybe. I don't know when he plans on working on it again. But anyway, I'm Bad Disturb. Thanks, guys, for watching. Mopar, no car. And guys, take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching.
And when I dream